Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima and in this video we are studying the chapter The Expansion of British Power in India, and this is part 3rd of this chapter. In the previous video we had studied about the First Carnatic War, and in that we saw that neither FEIC nor EEIC got any benefit from it. In this video, we will study about the Second Carnatic War. We have already studied in the previous video the reasons for the fight among Britishers and the French. So till now, we already know that both French East India Company and English East India Company became rivals of each other, and both the companies wanted to have monopoly over trade in India to earn more profit. So, this was the recap of the previous video. In this video, we will study about the Second Carnatic War. It started in the year 1749 and it ended in 1754. The Second Carnatic War. The War of Succession broke out in Hyderabad and the Carnatic region. Now, let me show you which regions in India are known as Carnatic regions. Here is the map of India, and in this you can clearly see red line which is there in the Eastern Ghat side. This is also known as Coromandel Coast. So, this region is known as Carnatic region. The king of the Carnatic region was known as Nawabs. Now in this slide, can you see the other line? This is the Hyderabad region, and the one who ruled in Hyderabad, they were known as Nizams. The war of succession were there in both the regions. There were disputes that who will become Nizam of Hyderabad and who will become the Nawab of Carnatic region. Now, when the rulers of both Hyderabad and Carnatic region died, the war of succession in Hyderabad and Carnatic region broke out. Duplex got the opportunity to interfere. In the previous video, we had already studied that the policy of Duplex was to increase his territory. Now, he wanted to interfere in the war of succession of Hyderabad and Carnatic region. Death of Nizam-ul-Mulk created dispute for succession between his son Nasir Jang and his grandson Muzaffar Jang. When Nizam of Hyderabad, Nizam-ul-Mulk, died, after his death, there was a war of succession which broke out between Nasir Jang and Muzaffar Jang. Nasir Jang was the son of Nizam-ul-Mulk and Muzaffar Jang was his daughter's son. Both wanted to be the Nizam of Hyderabad. In Carnatic region, Muhammad Ali and Chanda Sahib wanted to become the Nawab. At the same time, in the Carnatic region, the two contenders for the throne was Chanda Sahib and Muhammad Ali. Duplex supported Muzaffar Jang and Chanda Sahib. So, Duplex took the advantage of the situation and supported Chanda Sahib in the Carnatic region. And they also supported Muzaffar Jang in Hyderabad. He wanted to use both of them as his puppet so that he could use the resources of these regions. Britishers supported Nasir Jang and Muhammad Ali. On the other hand, Britishers also supported the opposite candidate in both the region. They supported Nasir Jang in Hyderabad and Muhammad Ali in Carnatic region. So, Britishers also wanted to set up their puppets in these states. French got some success in the beginning. So, earlier, the French succeeded in making Chanda Sahib the Nawab of Carnatic and Muzaffar Jang the Nizams of Hyderabad. But British under Robert Clive defeated the French. Now at the end of the war, Britishers under the leadership of Robert Clive managed to defeat the French. Chanda Sahib was captured and killed, and they made Muhammad Ali as the Nawab of Carnatic region. Now let's see the results of the Second Carnatic War. French accepted their defeat. Now French accepted their defeat as a lot of money was used in the war and they cannot afford to spend more money. Second result was that Dupleix was sent back to France. British became politically stronger than French. So at the end of Second Carnatic War, we can say that Britishers became politically stronger than French and established their control over Carnatic region. So in this video, we have studied about the Second Carnatic War, learned the names of different rulers supported by the French and the Britishers. In the next video, we will study about the Third Carnatic War. Please watch the videos carefully, and if you have any problem in any topic, then please ask me by putting your questions in the comment section.